This video is going to be in two parts. First part is what is holding us back? What is the thing that is not letting us go forward in our life? What is the biggest obstacle in our path to success? And second thing is building positive personality. What are the things that help us go forward? That is what is the thing that help us achieve success. So first part will help us to know the reason why we are not successful, we are not getting successful, and the second part will lead us the steps that will help us to go forward in life. So following are the things that are holding us back: unwillingness to take risk, and majority of us are facing this. We are unwilling to take risks, the calculated risk. Lack of persistence. We are not persistent about any thought. We are consistently fluctuating at our thought level. We are sometimes we are thinking of this thing and the very next moment we are thinking of something else. So we are not persistent with a single thought, a single action. Instant gratification. We want thing to happen immediately. We want success overnight, and that is not happens in reality. Real success comes with time. So this instant gratification is holding us back. Lack of priorities, and it is one of the most important thing that is holding us back. Lack of priorities. Looking for shortcuts. The people who are looking for shortcuts are definitely making an obstacle to their success. Next point is selfishness and greed. This is the thing that is also holding us back. Lack of conviction. If we have said one thing, we must be convicted about it. We must be definite about it. So this lack of conviction is also holding us back. Unwillingness to plan and prepare. We are not willingly ready to make a plan and execute it, prepare for the things, prepare for the bad situation as well as prepare for the good situation. So this unwillingness to prepare and plan is holding us back. We are always busy rationalizing things and not learning from the past mistakes. So this is holding us back. Inability to recognize opportunity. This is one of the biggest thing that even hold us back more than any other thing, because we always think of problem as obstacle, but that always comes with an opportunity. So inability to recognize opportunity is also holding us back. Inability to use talent. We always have some kind of, say, let's say a small or big talent, but we don't have that ability to use talent. The one who has this ability to use talent uses this ability to make a very little talent to a massive success. The people who have this ability turn the very little talent into massive success. So inability to use talent is also a obstacle in our path to success. Lack of discipline, poor self esteem, this is holding us back. Lack of knowledge, fatalistic attitude. Fatalistic attitude means we are destructing our own self. Lack of purpose, lack of courage. These are the things that hold us back. These are the things that not let us go forward in life. And if we can work on this, if we can remove this, we are preparing ourselves for a massive success. Yes, these obstacles are the only thing that hold us back, and we will work on it and we'll definitely remove it. Now let's come to the second part of this session: building positive personality. The personality that will help us achieve success, that will ensure our massive success. First thing is accept responsibility. First and foremost thing, accept responsibility. Every single responsibility, however it is big or small. So consideration, think, view. Choose your words wisely. Don't utilize and complain. Don't criticize and complain. These will make your personality extremely positive. Smile, be kind. Put positive interpretation on others people behavior. Don't be that he's doing bad, he's not doing good, he's doing bad. No, put positive interpretation on others people behavior. Be a good listener, and it will help you enhance your communication skill, because if you are a good listener, you have 70% of communication in your hand. Be enthusiastic. Do only what you love and you will automatically enthusiastic about that thing. Give give honest and sincere appreciation. Whenever you give appreciation or opinion, be sincere and honest. when you mistake when you made a mistake, accept and move on. Whenever you made a mistake, accept it and move on, and repeat it, because there will be no point in your life when you don't make any mistake. But always try to accept your mistake and move on. Learn from your past mistake. Discuss but not argue. Always discuss with with everyone. Discuss about everything, but don't argue. Don't gossip. Just discuss, and take positive mental growth. Turn your promise into communication. Turn your promises into commitments. Be grateful, but don't accept gratitude. Be be dependable and practice loyalty. Avoid bearing grudges. Don't bear grudges. This will make a hell lot of you. So avoid bearing grudges. Practice honesty, integrity, and sincerity. Be honest to yourself. Integrity, feel the relation with the nature, with the humankind. Feel the part that you are a living organism. Feel the integrity within yourself. And sincerity, you must be sincere about things that is going in your life. You must be sincere about it. Nobody else is going to be serious about what you want in your life. So be sincere about yourself. Practice humanity. Be understanding and caring. Practice courtesy on a daily basis. This is not something that you will do on a weekend. Practice courtesy on a daily basis. Develop a sense of humor. This humor will lighten your pace. Humor this humor will help you lighten the struggle, the process, the exhausting work that you do. Don't be sarcastic and put other down. Be humorous, but don't be sarcastic and put others down. To have a friend, be a friend. Show empathy. And these are the things that will make your personality extremely magnetic, and you will be on the world's 0.01 top percent. You will be on the top most peak personalities that you could ever think of. These things will make you as a person such a big in your life that you can't even imagine that anyone would able to compare yourself with him or her. So make your personality such a level that either if you don't have the right skills and all, even then people want to work with you, people want to talk to you, people want to be with you. So be at this So be at such a peak personality level within yourself. Build a positive personality and see you in the next video with a lot of amazing fact. Generally our videos are not of this type, so visit our channel to see more, and please subscribe to the channel and share this video with everyone. Hit the like button if you like this video.